Hi and welcome back to our channel. First of all, Happy New Year! May this year take you to the places where you've never been before and try foods that you've never tried before. And I hope it's gonna be damn delicious. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. By the end of December, we actually reached 1,000 subscribers. By the time I am filming this video, we are at 1,070. And I am very thankful for every one of you. As the new year arrived, there are also a few updates from my side. Very exciting ones, I would certainly say. As some of you may know, 2 months ago I have actually lost my part-time job and I had a very difficult decision to make. Starting a new one or give it the freelancing a go. Since 2020 started, I have been enjoying every minute to work here at home and to work on the projects that I actually love from the bottom of my heart. When I took the break from YouTube in December, I actually didn't take a break from working. I really wanted to make sure that I start this decade properly. Firstly, I was working on our blog, which is called Cooking the Word. I have moved the website to the better host, and the website is also much faster than it used to be. On Cooking the Word, we post traditional recipes since 2014, so it is our fifth baby. For the time being, I am planning to post twice a month, and we will be starting with with traditional German one-pot dishes that will help you lose your Christmas calories. I don't know what about you, but I still got 1 kilo more after the Christmas holidays. So I certainly need those one-pot dishes to lose some weight. Secondly, I've got exciting news. I started a new food and travel blog that is called Local Food Advice, because I certainly believe that only locals knows exactly where the food tastes the best. Furthermore, I do believe that if you know the language of the country where you travel to, it's much easier for you to do the research. So for me, those countries would be definitely Germany, Austria, Switzerland, if I understand them, and Poland. And I guess my English isn't that bad, so I think I could travel pretty good for food also in the English-speaking countries. But anyway, the goal of the blog is to show you traditional food and also the traditional places where the locals go. Thirdly, I was working on My Little Baby, so the food tour website, and I was thinking actually of the ways how to wow people even more during the food tour. For the moment, our food tour Frankfurt has only 5-star reviews and I am very proud of it. People definitely seem to like how I am with them, and to be honest, I am loving it too. So it is actually a dream come true. I will definitely keep on showing you Germany, German-speaking countries, and obviously my beloved Poland from the local perspective. We will be starting this year with the travel videos, because we did do some traveling at the end of November and at the beginning of December 2019. I have personally went to Warsaw to visit my dearest Erasmus friends. I feel that we are very lucky in Europe that we can do Erasmus, which is a student exchange program here in Europe, and I still have a lot of friends from this time. Furthermore, we did go to the most beautiful and the biggest island here in Germany, which is called Rügen. So there will be also content from the northern Germany coming right to you. I hope that this is going to be very exciting start for the new year. So this is it for this video. I just wanted to wish you a happy new year, tell you that I will be here for you in the new decade and in the year 2020. And as always, I wish you all the best, safe travels and happy eats. Bye!